Best way of cooking potato wedges with Chef Joshua Musisi. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you can get daily recipe update. So we are going to do potato wedges, and you can also try them without peeling the potatoes. So we are going to half and quarter the potatoes. After halving and quartering the potatoes, we are going to get our saucepan. We apply water. After applying water, we are going to put the what? We're going to put the potatoes. You're going to put the potato wedges. You can half or you can quarter. Then after, you're going to apply salt. Apply salt for taste. We are going to apply also some garlic. Also apply some garlic for taste. Then we are going to apply turmeric for color. You make sure that you don't put too much. You put medium. Then after, we are going to half boil. I repeat it, we are going to half boil the Irish. So after half boiling, make sure that it is not soft. We are just half boiling. We just need our turmeric to coat the salt to enter. Then after you're going to strain, then you are going to sprinkle with Reiko. We are going to sprinkle with Reiko. You can also fry direct away without applying Reiko. Then you're going to also apply white pepper. So we applied white pepper and Reiko. Then you are going to heat the oil. After heating the oil, we are going to deep fry until golden brown. You deep fry until golden brown. We need it crispy and crunchy. I repeat it. After half boiling, you can fry it direct away without even applying Reiko and white pepper. But if you apply Reiko and white pepper, you're going to get that different taste. So after that, it is good to go. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for the daily recipe, and don't forget to share with you.